Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what if you upgraded your interior lights to like LEDs and you want to know how you know if they're going bad. Here's an example. Now the LEDs I had in here is going to about 3.5, 4 years in my 2011 Nissan Maxima. So indication of LEDs is kind of, I'm not sure how well the camera's picking that up. You kind of see flickering right here compared to this light. You see how this one is kind of acting compared to this one. This one is starting to go out. And then in my rear, that's how you also know it's going out. That one is getting ready to go out too. So they last a pretty long time. And when I upgraded these, they were from my partner's Oxito. So 3.5, 4 years later, you can see 3 is going out. I haven't looked at the trunk yet. Let me see the glove box. All right, glove box is fine. So 3 out the 5. I ain't going to check the trunk right now because that's going to make it, well, it ain't going to be that much longer. So let's check the amount of trunk because I've been doing a couple vehicle wraps. Not full wraps, but like minor wraps on some cars and toting parts around. But yeah, this one I could see 1 or 2 LEDs going out. So that's 1. So 6 LEDs, 5 out of 6 LEDs is going out about 3.5, 4 years later. And they from my friends Oxito. So that could be a testament of how long their LEDs last. So if you want to get you some of these, I'll have this one. If you have 2009, 2014 Nissan Maxima, the one for these is, I'll post it in the description below. I got slightly different ones this go around. I'll also post a link to the previous ones that's already in here, but they also Oxito. The 2012 Nissan Maxima, everything's been upgraded to LEDs as well. And then the 2014 that you see in front of me, that will be getting all LEDs as well. So if you head on over to www.oxito.com and use promo code Mark Rodriguez at checkout, you will get 15% off your order. So for the interior, well, let me show you the ones I got in here. It doesn't say on the box the exact model, but like I said, I'll post it in the description as well as the promo code and direct link. Any other vehicles, we could just still go to the website and use the same promo code. It doesn't matter. It's site-wide. You'll get 15% off using promo code Mark Rodriguez, which in turn helps them, and that also helps me for the channel with all these cars, because it ain't cheap at all. But yeah, so this is the styles I'm going with this time. And also the same LEDs is in the doors. The doors is, well, I was working on a car last night. All the doors is fine. None of those is flickering, so those are still good. It's just the top ones. So all you're going to need is like a little small skinny pry tool. So I'm going to hold the camera with one hand and then I'm going to use the other to work. So what you want to do is just dig in between and push kind of inwards. And make sure your pry tool or anything that's small, well, flat, is skinny enough to fit right in between here. So same thing, pull it out and then drop it down. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 2 LEDs is left working on this. But this is the style, and you can see Oxito. This is the style I went with 3.5, 4 years ago. It might be 4 years ago now. I gotta go back on my videos to see. So now we're gonna get these. I'm gonna open them. All right, so I got 2 out because I'm gonna do this one too. So I'm gonna take out this one as well. And all the LEDs is good on this one. So I'm gonna save this one as a spare. So I'm gonna put this on. All right. Take this one out. That one's going to garbage. These don't have plus or minus on them. This one has the minus on them, but these don't. So if it doesn't work one way, as so. Just flip it around and it'll work. But this set and these style, they both 6,000K lumens. What do I do with the other? There we go. Alright, so fronts will change. Now we're gonna go to the rear and replace those. Alright, so we in the back now. So the back is kind of different, but you still want to go where the button is. So you just push out inwards and then the back will pop out. And you can see all the LEDs on this one's out except one. So we're gonna get the other one. Pop it in. I got that right on the first try. And then to put it back in, these tabs go into there, so those go in first. And then the back goes in last. And we're gonna do this one. Alright, so same thing on the driver's side. Oh, that one went out as soon as I took the back out. Alright, so take that out. Let's see if I could get this one on the first try too. Nope. Oh, it's probably because the door closed. Alright, so no, I just think this one went out. Oh, I wasn't lining it up. Alright, but same thing. Put this, pop it in, and then lastly, we're gonna do the trunk. Alright, so open this. There's a tab right here on the front side. Just push it outwards and pull back. And then we got 3 LEDs that went out on this one. So Oxito's pretty good. Almost 4 years before I had it to replace them. Well, not all of them, but majority. Alright, I didn't get it right on the first try. Alright. And that's it. Alright, so that's how you replace all the LEDs from my partners at Oxito. And this is a testament of how long these pretty much last. So that's it for this video. And remember, head on over to www.oxito.com. Use promo code Mark Rodriguez and you get 15% off your order. That's it for this one. See you next one. Peace.